Have you ever wondered how Earth actually came to exist? I mean, how did this spinning ball of rock and water come to be our home? Buckle up, because I'm taking you on a wild ride, back over 4.5 billion years ago. The story begins with a bang. Literally, the Big Bang. But Earth wasn't formed right away. In fact, our solar system took its sweet time. Around 4.6 billion years ago, a giant cloud of gas and dust called a nebula was just hanging out in space, minding its own business. Then, something triggered a collapse, maybe a nearby supernova. This cloud started spinning, and at the center, our sun was born. But what about Earth? Well, the leftover bits and pieces, tiny grains of dust and ice, started clumping together. These clumps grew into bigger and bigger chunks called planetesimals. Imagine them as cosmic snowballs, crashing and smashing into each other, sticking together every time. One of these planetesimals grew massive enough to start pulling in even more material with its gravity. That was the baby Earth, just a hot, chaotic mess. During this time, a Mars-sized object named Theia crashed right into young Earth. The explosion was unimaginably huge. Debris flew everywhere, and some of it eventually gathered to become our moon. Thanks, Theia. Without you, we wouldn't have tides or those magical moonlit nights. But Earth wasn't done yet. For millions of years, it was a lava-filled world, constantly bombarded by meteors. But slowly things started cooling down. Water, delivered by icy asteroids and comets, began to collect on the surface. Volcanoes spewed gases that formed our earliest atmosphere. This was a planet in transition, slowly setting the stage for life. Fast forward a few 100 million years and Earth finally calms down. The crust hardens, the oceans form, and somehow, somewhere, the first simple life sparks into existence. So next time you stand outside and look up at the stars, remember, our world came from cosmic chaos. A beautiful accident, billions of years in the making. The story of Earth isn't just in the past, it's written in every rock, every ocean wave, and in you and me. Thanks for coming along on this journey. Until next time, stay curious.